Finding the perfect gift for your guest can be difficult, और इसीलिए Luxe Glee has created something different which can be useful for your every guest. Every Luxe Glee hamper is carefully hand-packed with premium wrapping, elegant ribbons, decorative flowers and attention to every little detail, because we believe the excitement should begin the moment the recipient sees the hamper. If you were gifted this hamper, what would be your favorite item inside? Let us know in the comment below. And if you'd like to customize hamper designs specially for your budget and occasion, send us a message. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow Luxe Glee for more unique gifting ideas.